In this video we just learn how to choose a offer which is actionable for our traffic, which can able to make impact on our traffic's brain. Complete the offer first. Hello and welcome. I'm Rabi Hassan from Online Money Carrier. In this video we will talk about CPM marketing. It's the fourth part of CPM marketing series. If you want to learn CPM marketing from beginner level to advanced level, then you can follow my CPM marketing A to Z playlist. If you want to learn CPM marketing, and it's the fourth part of CPM marketing A to Z series video, and in this video we will talk about CPA grip. In previous video we just made an account on CPA grip, and now I will show you what is those the dashboard tools, and I will address you all those tools, offers, and we will talk about CPA grip and CPA grip types, CPA networks. Before starting, if you new on my channel, if you hearing my voice first, then please subscribe my channel and just click on the red button. Without thinking anything, just click on the red button and make it gray, and click on the bell icon and make it all to get all the new update information from my channel. So now without wasting time, let's get started. So CPA grip is a CPA network which is very friendly for beginner level. Let me tell you something, that is, we are not going to take it as our own professional CPA network site. We are not going to work years. We are not going to work permanently in CPA grip. We will just learn how to promote promote offers, how to make those actions, how to approve, and all those things from the CPA grip. So we are using the CPA grip to learn the CPA marketing. So let's just start it. So when you log in on your CPA grip account, you will see like this, and it's a dashboard. It's the stats and overview. You can see how in today views there will be there will count views today: 0 views, 0 clicks, 0 leads, 0 revenue, 0 APC, 0 conversation. So revenue, you know what is revenue. Lead, I already told what is lead on my CPA grip series video. Just watch my previous video to learn what is lead. And EPC already I told on my previous video. You can also you can also see the video on my playlist. So here's the thing, and sorry. So first of all, we want to know where is the offer. Okay, at first I just tell you that the video is going to be a long video, so please wait and see the video. Without that, I in a short time you can't able to learn CPA marketing so quick. CPA marketing is a huge thing. Actually, marketing is a huge thing, so you have to wait and you have to be patient to learn what is a CPA marketing. Okay, just left it, and it's my dashboard. When I click it, it will load on my main dashboard. That is my dashboard. And now what we have to do, if we scroll down, we can see recently added offers, the added offers, top performing offers, the offers which are so top performing. And actually I don't work actually I not work on CPA grip, that's why I have zero balance and all those things. So let's click on the statistics and charts. The statistics and charts is the bar where you can see the is the section where you can see how many traffic you have today, how many clicks you have today, how many leads you have today, or how many revenue, what is your APC, what is your conversation rate. So let's click on the stats and overview. let's see what will happen. Okay, let's click another time. Okay, you can the time frame 1 week, you can see 1 week result, 2 days results yesterday, and all those things. Just experiment all those or experiment with your dashboard. You can see 0 views, 0 clicks, 0 leads, and um, all those things. And in this dashboard you will they will show you the graph where you can see that how many traffic you have and all those things. In the top devices, the devices mean your traffic who already clicked your offers link using they're using desktop or mobile. You can see that the result in the daily breakdown. Let's see what is this. In the daily breakdown there is nothing. Tool breakdown means if you're using a content logging tool, and they will show the traffic. So we have no traffic, and I think just left it. So that is the statics and charts. And monetization tool, let's okay, I will see you that what is this thing. But first we have to click on the offer tools, where in this offer tools you can find your offers to promote. That is the most interesting thing. So let's click on the offers tool, and the pop-up comes, and RSS offer feed, Johnson offer feed, CSB offer export. So just click on the my offers, it will show you the offers. So we have no offer on Bangladesh. Actually, I'm in Bangladesh, and that's why it's just showing the Bangladesh thing. But let's search country wise US offers, and let's search. Look, there is tons of offer you have to promote. So there is tons of offer you have to promote. So let's check those offers one by one. Let's check the first thing. That is okay, get samples of your favorite products. What is the category? Email and zip submit. So, and they just allow only desktop traffic. The traffic who are using desktop to click on your offer, they just only support the desktop traffic. And you will get the money when your traffic will put their email and zip. Then you will get the money, you will get the revenue, you will get the payout. And let's see the image. Okay, you can't get big description about your product offer in this CP grip. They just don't allow those things. They just if you hover on the picture, they just show the picture, and in just using the picture you will find the you will see the product landing page, and that's it. There is nothing much more. So if your traffic just submit the email and zip on your offer, then you will get $1.33, which is approximately high. But and the performance ratio is network performance ratio is approximately good. And actually it's my performance. That means what is your performance? But actually you are not promoting any offer, and that's why it's 0. But the network performance is 40.17%, which is really high. The net CTR 9.32%. So every 100 people click on those link, 9 people just sign up. That's it. That's the whole thing. So net APC is 30, and it added to when the offer is added on the site. To get the offers link, promoting link, what you have to do, you have to just click on the offer name. The pop-up will come, and there is your promoting link. Just copy it via the copy link, and now you can promote the offer in US country, in US in front of your US traffic. So you're ready to promote your offer. And so let's see, now now the question is, sir, we don't want to work in email and zip submit. So let's try another one. Category. Okay, there is many category: download category, mobile install, pin submit, free service trial offer, email and zip submit, social action, cost per click, dating site, credit card submit, credit score, other. So I will suggest you, as a beginner, just try the free survey. Okay, the bad luck is there is no offer on a free survey. Let's search on all countries. Let's see. Okay, there is actually no offer on free survey. So let's just social action. As a beginner, you have to find the easiest action ever to make some conversation first. So let's select the cost per click, and there is also no offer available on cost per click. I just leave the dating site. I don't actually don't prefer the dating site as a for beginners. So credit card, credit score. Okay, so I know there is no offer there on a free category, just because marketing is not a easy thing. You can't get some free. You can't promote. You're promoting something, you're investing something, and they're paying you back. That means they also have some interest on it. They also just get some money from the traffic. It can be the service charge, it can be the product trial offers, time, money, the product's price. It can be anything. So at first position, just try the email and zip submit. Many time in 100%, 90% offers are free. Yes, 90% offers are free, and 10% offers is actually paid, and your traffic may have to pay money to complete the offer. So that's why they just don't interested in to fill your offer. That's so you have to I will suggest you to see the landing page. When you see the landing page, you will get a email address. Okay, let's open image in a new tab. I actually opening in a new tab. Just see the landing page carefully. In the first landing page, your traffic will have an option to put their email address on the thing on the landing page. That means the offer is your offer you are taking is email and zip submit, and at the first position your traffic have a thing your traffic have a chance to put their email. That means is a easy offer and it's a free offer. Let's see the second landing page. That's the same. I can see the email. Okay, that's okay. We have to open on a new tab, and there is also a email inputting address, email inputting space. And let's see, there is also the same. So as a experienced marketer, I know that which type offer our traffic want. Yes, which type offer our traffic want to fill. So, and you have to qualify your traffic, that which type traffic you have. To make a conversation, you have to understand your traffic. You have to understand the psychology of your traffic, that which type traffic I have to make our offer. Suppose I have a traffic, they just do gaming. So if I promote the washing powder offer, then they will never fill the offer. Yes, it's correct. I have the gaming targeted traffic, and I'm promoting the washing powders offer, then they will never complete the offer for me. But if I promote a gaming offer, like the Battle Royale Ground and Fortnite and the FIFA type offer, then they will definitely going to fill the offer for me, just because they're interested on the subject. so they're definitely going to fill the offer. So that's why you have to know that you have to find the psychology of your traffic. You have to understand what my traffic is need. So that's the whole thing. And just choose a offer based on your traffic's interest and then promote it in front of your traffic. That's it. In this video we just learn how to choose a offer which is actionable for our traffic, which can able to make impact on our traffic's brain to complete the traffic first, complete the offer first. So that's it for now. And I just already teached you that how to learn, how to find the psychology of your traffic, how to understand what your traffic's interest, and then promote a offer, promote a offer in front of your traffic based on your traffic interest. That's it. So now my video is ending here, and I will come really soon. I know that I'm actually being so late to publish new videos, but I'm sorry. And again, I will upload daily videos from today. And that's it for now. I'm Rabbi Hassan signing off for now. Have a nice day. See you in my next video. Till then, be with me, learn the CPM marketing perfectly, learn the small things, to make a huge market, to make a huge money, to dig a money like my thumbnail, the curtain is digging money. So that's it. Bye, see you in my next video.